Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 43 AMG Coupe. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one also does come with the night package, which is going to give you a black exterior trim, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 21-inch 5-spoke with black accents AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, pano sunroof, rear heated seats. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, AMG GLE 43 badging, power lift gate, set all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, lane keep assist. On the inside, we got Harman Kardon sound system in black anthracite wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE Coupe has 13,718 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you have any questions or if you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 AMG, check out feldmannimports.com.